Diagnostics on, ignition on. I've dropped your fuel tank. That's your pump hidden all the way back there. This is the wiring for the pump. I've got on the multimeter. Now if we ask it for some fuel, so you're getting 12 volts. I'll tell it again. 12 volts again. So it's definitely powered up the wires, which is good. Just put them back on. Let's try again. That should be spraying fuel out. There's just nothing happening. They should be spraying it. That pump is dead. So what the pump out the tank. See, we've got, put that on there, 12 volts. 12 volts on these terminals. So if we push that one in there, like that, that pump should now be powered up, and it's dead.